Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at one of the best social media management platforms, as I will be showing you how to use Zoho Social. With Zoho Social, you'll be able to not only manage all of your different social media accounts using one platform, but you can also schedule when you would like posts to be released on different platforms. And you'll also be able to collaborate with different team members on one platform also. So this is definitely the platform for you, whether you're a small business, a freelancer, or a large business, or if you do this for a living, if you're a social media manager, you will definitely like this platform. To get started on Zoho Social, all you'll need to do is go onto zoho.com/social. And once you have done that, you can tap on Access Zoho Social and you can sign up to their free trial. And if you like the platform in the future, you can go onto their paid plan. Once you are signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. On this dashboard, you'll be able to connect all of your social media platforms. So for example, you can connect your Facebook pages. You can also connect your Twitter or your X profiles. You can connect your LinkedIn, Instagram, Google, YouTube, all of the social media platforms. You can connect it right here. After you have connected your numerous social media platforms, you'll be able to monitor them on this dashboard. To change the different social media platforms, for example, at the moment I'm only signed up with my Facebook page, but if I wanted to change that, all I would need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the drop down arrow, and then from there I could select the social media platform that I would like to view. Another thing that you can also do is by going over to the top right hand corner, you will see the option New Posts. If you were to tap on New, you would be redirected to this dashboard. From here, you'll be able to add your posts. So let's say, for example, I would like to upload this, but I would like to upload it at a later date. I could go over to the right hand menu option, tap right where you see schedule for a specific date. Then from there, you can choose the date that you would like to upload that post or release that post, better yet. So let's say I would like it to release next week. I could tap right there, select a specific date. And if you would like this to be repeated, you could tap on repeat this post. And by the way, after continually using Zoho Social, you will be able to use their Choose a Smart Queue slot. And this is basically Zoho Social suggesting when is the best time to post to your audience. And they think that based on their research, after you're using their platform for a long period of time, they'll be able to estimate when you'll get the most engagement from your audience. And another thing that you can also do when you're uploading a post, you can upload photos, videos, or audio by going down to the bottom left hand corner and tapping on the photo icon. If you would like to add location, you can tap on add location. And if you'd like to also set targeting, meaning the country audience that you can target, you can simply enter it right there. You can also add your hashtags. You can also add your emojis. Once you have done that, you can tap on schedule and you can see that it is being scheduled to be released next week, Tuesday. Another thing that you can also do is you'll be able to monitor your engagements and so on by simply going to the top menu option, tapping on the three dots. From here, you could tap on reports. If you have tapped on reports, you can see the audience summary right here, the total amount of page likes, and you can see the amount of subscribers or so on. If you have lost 10 subscribers, you will see it right here. And you can go over to the left hand menu option, you can tap on audience, and you can see your organic audience versus your paid audience. You can also view your different posts and their engagement, and you can view your overall performance. And another thing that I also like is right where you see last 30 days. If you were to tap right there, you can go back up to a year, as you can see right here. So you can go back up to a year so that you can see your posts or your page performance. And you can also tap on schedule, and you'll be able to see all of your scheduled posts over the last 30 days. Now let's go back to the main dashboard. Once on the main dashboard right here, what I want you to do next is right where you see monitor, you're going to tap right there. By tapping on monitor, you will be able to add a new column. So for example, if I were to tap on add new column, you can select what you would like to be displayed in that column. For example, mentions, reviews, or page search. You can select whichever option. Then from there, you can search by Facebook page or whichever social media platform you're signed into. And also by tapping on the three dots once more, you can tap on collaborate. And by tapping on collaborate, you can invite team members. So you could tap on invite team members. Then from here, you can enter the individual email address, and then you can select the role that you would like to give them, and then you can tap on send invite. And from the left hand menu option, you'll be able to monitor your discussions. You can also view the different drafts, approvals, and the different posts right here. And again, if we were to go to the top menu option, tap on the three dots. From there, you could tap on lead forms. And lead forms is basically to collect forms from Facebook leads in real time. And you can simply tap on set up Facebook leads ads now if you want. And you could do that right there. And if you were to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on the settings cog, once you have tapped on the settings cog, you will be redirected to this dashboard. From here, you'll be able to view all of your social channels. And if you want to connect any social channel right here, you can simply tap on connect. You can also tap on brand members. And from there, you can invite different persons or you can remove their responsibility. You can also tap on publishing, and from there you can select who will have access to publish and who doesn't. You can dictate their different roles and permissions by tapping on roles and permissions. So you have numerous options right here as you will be the person in charge. And if you would like to use any other Zoho feature, you could go to the top right hand corner, tap on the 9 dots in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you can see the different Zoho platforms. For example, you can access the Zoho CRM, you can access their Marketing Plus, and you can access their Page Sense or Booking. So you'll have access to all of the Zoho platforms at the click of a button. All you'll need to do is go to the top right hand corner and click on it. And that is basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.